Hello guys, this is Andrew Lacuachero and welcome once again to our Unlimited Iftar episode video, or in short, this is Lamon Serye, pinaganda lang, di ba? 2 days before end of Ramadan, we will be visiting today a 4-star hotel in Saudi Arabia, the Dammam, named Park Inn by Radisson Hotel. Dahil hindi ako mag-isa today guys, na-convince ko lang sumama at kumain ang apat ko pang kasama. So today, kunyari mag-English tayo para maintindihan nila ang vlog natin. O di ba, gutom ka na nga, mag-translate ka pa sa English. O siya. Shoutout to Mubarak, Fahad, Suhaib, and Rolly. Once again, sila ang kasama ko today. Magmukbang tayo ngayon. As usual guys, late na naman kaming dumating sa hotel dahil unplanned ang dinner namin. Bigla lang kasi kaming nagkayayaan eh. We actually agreed with the group. We supposed to be in Ramada Hotel in Al Khobar, but sad to say, when we arrived in the location, it's fully booked. So from Al Khobar guys, we traveled again 20 to 25 minutes going back to the Dammam to have walk-in iftar in Park Inn. That's the reason why we are late again. Pagdating nga namin sa hotel, wala na kami inantay na panahon. Pasok agad kami sa dining area at gutom na kami. Oriental food ang buffet preparation nila guys. Mix ang customers from different nationalities. Marami silang choices ng food with red meats, white meats, seafoods, sweets and desserts, salads at marami pang iba. Dito ko lang talaga na-discover na weakness ko talaga ang buffet kung mag-isa akong kumain. So guys, I'm expecting today to enjoy and have more plate rounds dahil apat ang kakompetensya kong kumain. Hindi ko na lang i-focus sa kanila ang camera kasi mahiyain talaga yan silang lahat. Ako lang talaga dito ang makapal ang mukha, walang hiya for exposure. Since nagfo-food reviews ako lagi and every visits ko sa mga hotel, these are always the 3 main criterias that I'm always verifying whenever I'm visiting hotels. Of course, 1, food quality. 2, food safety and cleanliness. 3 is service and ambience. You can find my food review ratings from 1 to 10 sa comment section na lang guys. By the way, disclaimer lang pala ha, this is not sponsored or even not a paid advertisement ng hotel. Sariling datong po ang binayad ko dito para may pang-content ako. O siya, at gagawin lang natin tong short video at kakain na ako at ako'y nagutom. Naunahan na ako nila at nagdadaldal pa ako dito. So, I came to realize that buffet is my weakness actually and I'm not able to finish one plate. So this is my first plate and of course I'll try my best to take again another second round. So guys, we enjoyed too much today and we are with my team here, and that would be all for today guys. Thank you so much. Again, shoutout to Mubarak, Fahad, Suhaib, and Rolly for today's dinner. Shoutout din kay Duty Kompletado, Abdul Hamid, Tess Sanayan, at sa aking very supportive na inay at itay. Sa walang sawang suporta, thank you so much Sir Mario Ranolfo Albior at kay Ma'am Jennifer De Harlo Albior. At sa muli, samahan niyo ulit akong maglakwatsa. This is Andrew Lacuachero na nagsasabing, eat, drink, and be happy for tomorrow we die. God bless guys, bye-bye.